Another military coup takeover in an African country. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the build up to the coup in Guinea Bissau was a complex mix of political tension, disputed elections, and military unrest. So, the presidential and legislative elections were held on the 23rd of November 2025 with incumbent President Umaro Sissoco Embalo and opposition candidate Fernando Diaz da Costa claiming victory. There were also some election irregularities as the opposition party PAIGC was barred from contesting the presidential election, sparking concerns about the legitimacy of the vote. And also, Guinea-Bissau has a history of military coups and attempted coups. There has been 9 that has happened so far till their independence in 1974. Now, the military had previously attempted coups just recently in 2022 and 2023, with Embalo accusing the opposition of plotting against him. And also, there have been allegations that the country is a major hub for cocaine trafficking, and there are also concerns about the military's involvement in the trade. Now, these factors created an environment ripe for military intervention, which ultimately led to soldiers who were led by Brigadier General Denis Inkanha to seize control of the country and also to detain President Umaro Sissoco Embalo and other top officials. Currently, there's a new military leadership in charge of Guinea-Bissau through General Hota Inter A, who was appointed as the transitional president with a one-year mandate. Now, the African Union, ECOWAS, and other international organizations have condemned the coup, demanding the restoration of constitutional order and Embalo's release, of which the military did take into consideration, and currently Embalo was released and is currently in Senegal while the military government is in control of the country. What are your thoughts?